back to one place. Our beds. It's our greatest comfort, and that comfort all starts with our sheets. Introducing Slumber Sheets. Obsessively engineered luxury sheets that don't break the bank. We use only single-ply cotton yarns that make our sheets stronger with less piling and snapping. Tug and pull to your heart's desire. Use our all-natural sleep mist to freshen and kill bacteria on your sheets. It even helps you get to sleep better. Everything is super easy to set up. Slumber sheets are extremely breathable, which means no more twisting and turning. No more sweaty nights. Slumber sheets feel softer and lighter than any other cotton in the world. We source and use extra long staple cotton grown in Egypt that is certified and responsibly grown. No harmful chemicals involved, so you can sleep comfortably. Eco-friendly packaging, so that everything is reusable or recyclable. You've been led to believe that higher thread count means higher quality. Slumber sheets legitimately use 300 threads of cotton per square inch. Our tests showed that this was the perfect thread count for quality sleep. The best part? Every single standard slumber set is under $100. That's right under $100. We nailed the quality, the comfort, the durability, and the price. We got rid of every single markup that didn't contribute to quality. You don't need fancy packaging, branded labels, or any other unnecessary charge. No BS. You just need quality sheets. We even provide free shipping to the US. We believe everyone deserves better sleep. Slumber. Bedding made simple. Get the sleep you deserve. GetSlumber.com.
Introducing the Genie, the first device that makes Alexa practical in your car and outdoors. It can also be used with Siri for iPhone users.
Alexa, set home temperature to 72 degrees.
Setting home temperature to 72 degrees.
Hello, Genie.
Text from John. Looking forward to tonight. See you soon.
Okay, Google, send text to John.
What's the message?
I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be 10 to 15 minutes late.
Got it. Do you want to send it?
Yes.
Okay. Message sent.
Okay, Google, find alternate route home.
Your home is 33
By giving you
minutes
access
from
to the strengths and features of both Alexa and OK Google, Genie empowers you to do more on the go. In addition to Always On mode, which allows you to speak directly to whichever assistant you want, Touch and Talk mode gives you ultimate battery life.
Turn on the lights.
Okay.
Ask August to unlock the front door.
I've asked August to unlock the front door.
Genie's battery lasts up to 7 to 10 days in Touch and Talk mode and up to a day in Always On mode. If you touch both at the same time, you toggle between Always On or Touch and Talk mode.
Alexa, reorder shampoo.
The top search result for shampoo is Art Naturals shampoo. Would you like to buy it?
Yes.
Thanks. Order placed.
Okay, Google, play music. Hello?
Hey man, we're still going to Capitol, right?
Hey, yeah, I'm getting ready. I'll be there in 20 minutes.
Cool, see you there.
See ya, man. Alexa, ask Lyft for a ride.
The nearest Lyft driver is 3 minutes away from your home. Should I call you a Lyft?
Yes.
With Genie, all of your favorite voice assistants are with you wherever you go.